In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a photo gallery on your Wix website. Whether you're showcasing your photography, creating an online portfolio, or spicing up your site, adding a gallery can be a great way to display your images beautifully and effectively. Let's get started. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you've accessed your website, look over to the left-hand side panel where you'll find the Add Elements option. This panel is your toolbox for adding various features to your site, and today we'll focus on enriching it with a gallery. Click on Add Elements, and from the drop-down menu, select Gallery. Here you'll see a selection of gallery types, such as Pro Galleries, Grid Galleries, and Slider Galleries. Take a moment to consider the aesthetic you're aiming for when choosing your gallery type. Do you want a dynamic slider that automatically moves through images, or perhaps a structured grid that shows them all at once? Your choice will set the tone for how visitors experience your visual content. After selecting your preferred gallery type, it's time to drag and drop it onto the desired page of your website. Simply click on the gallery and move it to the spot on your page where it fits best. You might want to place it prominently at the top or nestle it somewhere less conspicuous depending on your design goals. With the gallery added to your page, let's move on to the fun part, adding and managing your photos. Click on the gallery box you've just placed, and a small menu will appear. Select Settings or Manage Media to open the Media Manager. This is where you'll have control over the images displayed in your gallery. To bring your photos into the gallery, click Add Media. You can either upload new photos directly from your computer or choose from existing media on Wix. Once your images are uploaded, ensure they are added to the gallery by clicking Add to Gallery or simply Done to confirm your choices. With your photos in place, let's explore how to customize your gallery to make it truly yours. Click on the gallery again and navigate to the Settings icon to tweak the layout and behavior. Here, you can modify options such as what happens when someone clicks on an image. Perhaps it expands for a closer look, and even include share buttons for social media. Next, click on the Design icon to get creative with the look of your gallery. You have options to alter text styles, colors, and overall presentation, ensuring cohesion with your site's theme and personality. Now that you've set up your gallery and added your photos, you've turned your Wix website into a visual experience that your visitors will love to explore. Congratulations on crafting an engaging display for your content. Enjoy bringing your visuals to life in a way that captures the essence of your online presence.